Welcome to Xavier Digital's podcast on building a website that wins. We are here to give you the ins and outs of a website and how you can use it to build your business. Today's topic is going to be 5 fundamental elements every startup's website should have. First, and one of the most important, is site security. This tells your visitors that their information and browsing is safe when they arrive on your site. Usually, the giveaway that your site is secure is an SSL certificate. We'll get into that on another episode. People will probably stray away from a site that says not secure. Even on some mobile devices, these words are extremely red, alerting visitors easily. Security ensures no one can steal valuable information, and it can drastically increase your site speed. Next, your site should have a view of your process or how your business accomplishes its goal. Of course, without revealing any secrets. Customers or clients will be a lot more confident in your product or service if they can see pieces of the process. Build a relationship with a potential client by being a little transparent. A view of how you do what you do or a behind the scenes look can help boost the value of your product or service. If someone sees all the hard work you put in, that may push them over the edge to invest in your product or service. Next is testimonials or reviews. Some people want to ensure that you actually exist so they won't feel like they'll get scammed. Reviews let people know that you're trustworthy. However, be aware that people are just as liable to leave negative reviews, which won't help your business at all. They can also be a way to let you know that your process works. However you're handling your business is obviously having an effect on how they view you. If you can make their lives better with what you do, that tells you that you've done your part. Fourth on the list is automation. Automation is a process that happens instantly once a visitor performs an action on your website. It can be a subscription to a mailing list, an interactive contact form, or even a way for a business owner like yourself to quantify clients in a non-invasive manner. Automation makes running your business easier. Since you don't have to handle every process manually, you have the ability to bring income into your business automatically. To finish this point off, automation gives you the ability to focus on more important tasks. You may have a month's worth of content to create, or even want to get some things done in your personal life. Automation gives you the opportunity to be twice as productive throughout the day. Finally, content. If you want to drive people in organically, a great thing to add to your website is content. Content can be blogs, photos, or anything that engages viewers. Also, content gives visitors another reason to come back to or stay on your site. What's the point of having a website if viewers are only going to be on it for 10 to 15 seconds? Lastly, content gives you a way to promote products that you have on your site. Draw attention to what you're selling and it becomes a way to drive in more income. Thank you for tuning into the Building a Website That Wins podcast. If you need any additional assistance with your website or business, look into scheduling a consultation with one of our representatives. See you in the next episode.